Welcome to the Pathfinder 2nd Edition Basics Guide. I am Model 42 and this time we are looking at skills and the various types of feats that you'll encounter in the game. Skills are things like acrobatics, diplomacy, medicine, religion, stealth and thievery among others. They are used for skill checks when you are doing something that has the potential of reward, danger, or might be too difficult for your character to automatically succeed. In episode 2 we learned about proficiency, which has a major effect on skills. Not only does it increase your chances of success or a critical success, but in many cases, it also unlocks additional actions you can take, as long as you are trained or better. As an example, let us look at the thievery skill. Everybody can use this skill, which uses dexterity as its ability modifier to palm an object, which is one action to hide a dagger or something smaller, or to steal, which is one action to pick up and hide a small and unattended item in reach. If you are trained or better, you can also use this skill to disable a device, which can be a trap among other things, or pick a lock. Both are two actions and very useful in most adventures, though again, if you are not trained, you cannot use them. Feats are small, but powerful ways to increase your character's versatility, or make her better in the things she already can do. There are the following types of feats: ancestry feats, class feats, skill feats, and general feats. You'll start with very few, and with each level up you will gain more of them, making your character more complex, but also more unique, and more capable to survive higher level encounters. Most feats have prerequisites that have to be met, for example, having another feat, having a special ability or even having specified ability scores. Sometimes you need to have traits, which can be elf, which you get by choosing the elf ancestry, or the half-elf heritage. A lot of feats give you permanent boosts, upgrade existing abilities or can even give you completely new abilities, sometimes even change the way others work. Use this to make an effective character, but also, sometimes, you might choose a feat for story reasons, or just because it sounds cool. There are a lot of great feats to choose from, so don't be shy to experiment. This will conclude this lesson. You will find feats in a lot of chapters, usually right alongside ancestries and classes, though in the core rulebook you will find all general feats and all skill feats starting on page 254. Thank you very much for watching, and if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content, or write me a comment telling me your favorite feat of all time and what makes it so special for you.